everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assemblies. As you can see, it is Friday the 16th of December 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in nursery and reception who've earned themselves presentation certificates this morning. What an amazing autumn term. Well done everyone this term. It's been a fantastic term, and you'll see from these nursery and reception children as well how hard they have been working. You won't see a great deal of me, just amazing children this morning. So here we go. We kick off in nursery in the first with our reading stars. You've got Charles Cornelius and Archie doing lots and lots of reading, sharing books every single day, filling in their reading records. So really well done, you two. Big smiles on their face as well. Well done, Archie. Well done, Charles Cornelius. Absolutely amazing. And then working hard on their phonics and learning all of their sounds. So Ignis and Emily working so hard on their sounds and doing their sounds every single day as well and practice them. And that's just going to help them get better at reading. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute superstars. On to our understanding the world and our mathematicians. Look at these. So we've got Fifi there. Look at that beautiful smile, Fifi. Well done. And Ibrahim, really well done. Understanding, being really inquisitive, asking lots and lots of questions. So fantastic work, you two. Really proud of you. Just keep being inquisitive. Keep asking lots of questions. And our mathematicians and good at their numbers and counting. We've got Oscar and we've got Harrison. Look at those two math stars. Big smiles again on their faces. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home. You absolute superstars. Really amazing autumn term work. So well done to you nursery children. Our final set of children are physical development, our PE stars and our children who are just being super fit wherever they go and whatever they do. You've got Edward and you've got Ciara, and as well as that, amazing manners as well from these children. I've met them throughout this week as well, and they've been absolutely brilliant. But they're working so hard as well, and actually being really kind and sharing with that as well. Outside, running about, getting lots of physical exercise. So well done, guys. Keep it up and enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to reception. Some of our reception. Look at these phonics certificate winners. These children have been working so hard on their phonics as well and learning their sounds every single day. Pavel, Eli, Marcel and Maddie. Well done, you four. I know every day you have been practicing those and getting better and better at your phonics and your reading and your writing as well. So really well done. Keep it up, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our reading stars. Now these guys are reading non-stop. Absolutely superb, and they really are every single day. Their reading records are filling up at a rapid rate, so really well done. So we've got Mabel, we've got Evie, we've got Layla, and we've got Charlie. Look at those smiles. You should be smiling now, you four. You've won yourselves reading certificates and a lovely reading book to read over the Christmas holiday as well. So well done, you four. Just keep it up over Christmas. Well done. On to our reception maths winners. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Maisie, we've got Toby, we've got Tatianka and Grace. Now these guys are brilliant at counting and adding up and doing all of their number work and all of their maths. So really well done, you four. Really well deserved as well. It's fantastic how hard you've been working maths this term. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Oh, look at these guys, understanding the world. Now, these guys are so inquisitive. Look at their big smiles as well. It just makes you smile, doesn't it? So we've got Grace, we've got Gabrielle, we've got Ashton, and we've got Caitlin. And with Ashton there, look, a little bit of a golden ticket shown there as well. So I know you guys have been working so hard and being really inquisitive, asking lots of questions and working so hard around understanding the world and being kind and looking after everyone. So well done, you guys. Really proud of you. Keep it up. And on to our physical development certificate winners. As you can see, look at these guys being really physically active and keeping themselves really fit. So we've got Oscar and we've got Jacob, we've got Ayla and we've got Ibrahim. Look at these guys smiling. You should be smiling as well, guys. Well done. Well done for being so fit, so physically active in all of your PE lessons. But not only that, but when you're outside as well. In the outside area and also when you're on the playground. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your physical development certificates home to you superstars and keep being physically active all over Christmas as well. I'm sure you all will. Well done. Our golden ticket winners so far this term. So this half term again, we've had another huge number of golden ticket winners. So let's give a little shout out and see all those children. Here they are. Look at this. So Oliver, Wayne, Archie, Caitlin, Oscar, Adam, Hadley, Brody, Riley, Clara, Ashton, Maddie, Simon, Ignis, Oscar, Harriet, Matty, Oliver, Mohammed, Pavel, Fifi, Adam, Minnie, and Frida. Amazing number of golden ticket, guys. Well done. Don't worry, golden tickets are coming back in 2023. So in the new year, we'll be getting a whole new set of golden tickets ready for 2023 as well. So if it wasn't you, don't worry, you'll get a chance next year as well, I am sure. Final thing just to say for all parents, obviously school closes Christmas holiday today. It's Friday the 16th of December 2022 at 3:15. What a fantastic autumn term. Thank you parents for all of your support throughout this term. It has been much appreciated. As you can see, we are back to school on Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023. So that's Tuesday the 3rd of January. Gates will be open at 8:30. All that's left to say is have a fantastic Christmas. Have a wonderful break in the holidays, everyone. Have a safe holiday as well. Enjoy the festivities, and we'll see you all on Tuesday, the 3rd of January, 2023 in the new year. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye now.